Question number 6. Let's say y is equals to x square plus x plus 2 whole divided by x square. Now, as we know, this question is in fraction, but as I told you earlier, we always try to avoid u by v. So if we need to avoid u by v, what we do, we can simply send x square to every term. Okay, so x square by x square, the denominator, again x by x square in the denominator, 2 by x square. Now if we just cut it out, then this will be 1, this will be x to the power minus 1. As I told you, the minus or the power would always be in the numerator. Now this is what, 2x to the power minus 2. Now differentiating with respect to x, we will be giving the answer as y will be 0, then minus 1 x to the power minus 2, as minus should be subtracted, then again minus 2 and plus 2 will be minus 4, now x to the power minus 3. So the required answer is minus 1 by x square minus 4 by x to the power 3. Thank you. Now moving to question number 7, let us take the question for log. Say y equals log x, and in the base we are having 10. So when we see the formula for log, the formula is d by dx of log x. In the base we don't have anything, but do remember, when we are dealing with log in calculus, the base is e. So the differentiation for log x is what, 1 by x, and again the differentiation for x is 1, so that's why we haven't written it. Now as we know, the base is different, so what we do, at first we will use the property of log, that state as log a by b is what, log a c, the new base, and similarly b and c. So to solve this question, at first we will express log x, or we will change the base to e. Let's say log x e divided by log 10 and e. Now if we differentiate it, then differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx, then as 1 by log 10 e is constant, then multiply by log xe, which will be 1 by x. So this is our required answer. Thank you. So question number 8. In this question, we can see root x, sine root x, and e to the power x is there, and everything is in the multiplication. So you can use the formula UVW, which state as u dash VW plus v dash UW, again w dash UV. Instead of this formula, I would rather love to solve this using logarithm, as logarithm is very helpful for solving this complicated questions. Okay, as we know, the property of log suggests us log AB can be written as log A plus log B. Okay, so using this we can write y, say taking log on both sides, so log y, again log root x plus log sine root x, and again what, log ex. Another formula for, or you can say the property of logarithm is what, it aside the power, as if the body is having a to the power n, then it will be m log a. Okay, similarly, as we know, root x can be written as x to the power half, so rewriting it, we will get half log x, then no need to do anything, this will remain as it is, sine root x. After that x will be aside it, and we know log e, if the base and body is same, the value is 1. Now differentiating with respect to x, say the differentiation of log is, similarly y will go down to the denominator 1 by y, then we differentiate y, the answer is dy by dx. Do remember and note that we are following chain rule over here. At first we have differentiated log, then after that the body, which is y. Okay, Now half is there, again the differentiation of log x is x. Similarly we will follow the chain rule over here. Now 1 by sine root x, again this would be what, cos root x. And if you differentiate root x, this is very interesting to solve root x. Okay, so root x can be written as x to the power half. If you want to solve it, then aside the power, then just subtract -1, then it can be written as 1 by 2 root x. Similarly we will write 1 by 2 root x. Okay, now the differentiation of x is what, 1. So dy by dx, you can write the value of y. The value of y is what, root x sine root x e to the power x. Instead of y you will be writing this thing. Okay, now again 1 by 2x is there. We know cos and sine is what, cot. So this is cot root x divided by 2 root x. Okay, this is our required answer. So the basic mistake of the student, the basic mistake done by the student here is they just cancel this root x in it. To remember that root x is not in a free state. Okay, it is inside the trigger, so we can't cut it. Thank you. Now moving to the next question, y equals sine x to the power x. As you can see, we have variable to the power variable. Whenever this type of question is there, what we do, we just call log. As we know, the property of log is what, a to the power m. M will be a sided and that will be equals to m into log a. So using this property, we can say taking log on both sides. Okay, then it will be log y, after that e to the power x, then log sine x. Okay, now applying the chain rule, say differentiating with respect to x, what we do, the differentiation of log is 1 by y, then the differentiation of y, it will be dy by dx, and here we can see e to the power x times log sine x is there. So this falls into the category of uv. Okay, as we have discussed about uv earlier, the formula we need to recall is what, uv state us that u dash v plus v dash u. Okay, so this is the formula, u dash v plus v dash u. So the differentiation of e to the power x is nothing but e to the power x. Then simply we will be writing log sine x. After that, if we differentiate log sine x, then 1 by sine x is there. After that, the differentiation of sine is what, cos x. Now the differentiation of angle is of x is equals to 1. Then we will simply copying the u. U is what, e to the power x. Now if someone wants to take e to the power x is common, then they can e to the power x, after that log sine x, then cos by sine is what, cot x. So now dy by dx is what, we will be multiplying it by y, or don't forget to put the value of y at the end. Okay, so this is our required answer. Thank you. Question number 10. Now moving to this question, as we can see the fraction part is there. We have done this question using the u by v method. Here we will be doing this by using logarithm. Okay, so using the property of logarithm for the division thing is what, log a by b can be written as log a minus log b. Clear? Now simply we will be writing, say taking log on both sides, after that log y, then it will be what, log x square plus x plus 1, then minus log x square minus x plus 1. Okay, now differentiating it with respect to x, then it will be 1 by y times dy by dx. After that, the differentiation of log is what, the everything that is x square plus x plus 1 will be come down to the denominator. After that, we need to differentiate it. The differentiation of x square plus x plus 1 would be what, 2x plus 1, and we know the differentiation of 1 is 0 as it is a constant or numerical value is there, only numerical value. Okay, now the differentiation for log is what, 1 by, similarly in the same fashion, x square minus x plus 1. After that we have what, 2x minus 1. So now simply dy by dx multiply by y Don't forget to write the value of y at the end, okay? Otherwise your marks will be cut. So 2x plus 1, after that x square plus x plus 1 minus 2x minus 1 x square minus x plus 1. One can simplify it further, otherwise this is more than enough for the answer. Thank you. Now moving to the next question, say y equals root x square plus 1. As we know, this can be solved in two ways. Of what? It's the chain rule, which is y equals x square plus 1 to the power half, and this can be written as dy by dx. We know the power formula, the power will be aside it, half x square plus 1 will be there. Then the differentiation formula is we need to subtract it by 1. So half minus 1 will be minus half. Okay. Then we need to subtract the bracket thing, that is x square plus 1, which is 2x. Okay. Now if we simply cut it, then we will be ending with x divided by root x square plus 1. So we will be writing x square plus 1. So this is a required answer, and this is way 1 of solving this. And if someone wants to solve it using logarithm, then they can write it as say taking log on both sides, then log y is there, power will be aside it, then log x square plus 1. Now differentiating it with respect to x, so 1 by y, again dy by dx. Now 1 by 2, again this is what, 1 by x square plus 1, as the formula is whatever is in the body, it will goes to the denominator. So x square plus 1 is there, again 2x is there. Now simply cut it down, so dy by dx. If we write the value of y, we will get x times what, root over x square plus 1 divided by x square plus 1. And if someone just what, rationalize it, then you will get the required answer as x by root x square plus 1. Okay, so by using any method you will get the same answer, but it is difficult when we are solving a proving thing. Okay, it requires some special steps to solve that things. Okay, so this is a required answer. Moving to the next thing, the last question of this series, y equals log x plus root x square. So in this question already log is there, so simply differentiating it with respect to x, we will be writing it as dy by dx, then 1 by x plus root x square plus 1, then multiply it by what, the differentiation of the body. The differentiation of the body is what, x, which is 1, plus, and we know root x square plus 1, previously we have deleted. Then the differentiation for this is what, x by root x square plus 1. So simply I will write x and this one. Now again just simplifying this thing, x square plus 1 times the LCM would be what, x square plus 1, and here we'll be getting x square plus 1 plus x. Now if we just cancel the denominator and numerator, we will be getting 1 by root x square plus 1. So this is our required answer. Thank you for watching.